Hi fellow travelers, and it's me, your travel angel, and we are going back to Solvang, California for a quick weekend getaway. But before I show you around Solvang, let me give you some things you need to know before you visit Solvang, California. Of course, to help you plan your trip to the Danish Capital of America. All right, let's go. Welcome back to Angel's Video Diary. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is the drive to Solvang. So the drive to Solvang from Los Angeles is about 2 or 2.5 hours. Of course, depending on the situation of traffic, and LA traffic is always bad. So I recommend that you leave early. So you can leave around 7 or 8 in the morning, maybe even earlier if you can. Next, prepare to enjoy breathtaking and stunning views on your way to Solvang. You'll find yourself on a scenic drive along the area's winding road, and it is stunning. Also, the climate in Solvang, it has a Mediterranean climate. So that means it has a hot, dry summers and wet, cool winters. And the best time to visit Solvang is around March to May, or from September to November, when the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller. There are plenty of hotels and inns around Solvang, but they can be very expensive during peak season. I recommend that you book early if you're going to plan to visit Solvang during summer or maybe during the holiday season. Solvang can be crowded, especially during the peak season, so parking can be quite a challenge. Of course, there are a few public parking lots around the city, but they actually fill up quickly. If you find a parking spot in downtown Solvang, consider walking to explore the town. And yes, Solvang is a walkable city, and you'll be able to see a lot of the sights for only a few hours, depending on your pace. You can visit museums, try Danish cuisine, and so much more. If you guys are new here and you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post new content. You can also visit other places in Solvang like the Ostrichland, which gives guests the opportunity to see ostriches and emus. You can feed them and take lots of pictures as well. Or you can stop by a winery. Yes, you can visit a vineyard and taste local wines. And a flight of wines typically costs $25, which includes 5 samples of their wines. So it's a great way to relax, drink wine, and enjoy the stunning views of the Santa Ynez Valley. Now, Solvang's architecture, food, and culture shows its Danish heritage, making it a unique and charming place to visit. Now, Solvang is also famous for its Danish pastries, especially its Aebleskiver, which is similar to a donut's texture and typically served with powdered sugar and jam. And they're available at a lot of restaurants around town. Or you can also visit the Mortensen's Danish Bakery for more Danish pastries and some refreshments or coffee as well. And you can attend a festival here in Solvang. A popular event in Solvang is the Julefest, which is Danish for Christmas festival. And the event celebrates Solvang's heritage with different holiday-themed activities. And you know, there are plenty of shops and restaurants around Solvang, which offers visitors a chance or a wide range of shopping and dining options, ranging from Danish specialties to international cuisine. And plenty of shops to buy gift or souvenir items. Well, I hope I was able to help you plan your trip to Solvang, California. If you have any more questions, maybe you have tips or tricks that you would like to add, let me know and add them in the comment box below. And if you got value of this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post new content. And you can stay current on my travels. Follow me on social media. That's at Angel's Video Diary. Subscribe to my blog, mypurplepages.com, and my TikTok is at I am Angel Alvaro. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.